What is that? What is that? Whale? You tell me.
No.
No? What is it? Whale? Are you all done with that?
Yeah.
Yes? Can I have it? What did you read about? Whales. How many?
1, 2.
Very good. Where's the baby whale?
No.
Where's the little whale, the baby?
No.
Oh, you're all done with that? Yes? You want to put it away?
Yeah.
You want to put it away?
Yeah.
Yes? Can you point to the baby whale? Thank you. Now I'll put it away. Now, listen. Do you like these action cards?
Yeah.
You want to tell me all about them? Are you going to tell me about them? Crawling. You see that? Reading. Okay, you want to look at that? I'm going to help you in your chair, okay?
No.
Oh, you want to sit on the ground?
No.
Oh, you want to play with the little markers?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to help you. Look, 1, 2, 3, what? Look, I'm going to give you a little ride. You're going to sit here, and I go, push begin. Say push. All right, look.
Ow.
What's wrong? Your leg, was it stuck? Tell me about this. Oh, turn it around. Look, A, B, C's.
No.
Good, all done. Point to it. So put it in and point and say,
No.
very good. Next,
No.
time for work. That's right. And then last, we're going to do your markers.
Okay.
Your little markers? Okay, which one do you want to do first? Letters or actions? Actions? Take it out. You want to do it?
Ow.
Do you need help? You want some help? Can I help?
Ow.
Oh, they're stuck. Tell me, Mare? Tell me about them. They are stuck. Show me you're ready. 1, 2. You're being silly. I'm going to help you up, okay? 1, 2, 3. Up. And I'm going to push you in so we can't slide down too easily, okay? Say they are stuck. Right? All right. Wait a second. What's in there? You want to look? Oh, I see them. What? What is she doing? You want to look? What is she doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me. She is
No.
throwing. Look at me. Look at my mouth. Throwing. All right.